Alright folks, brace yourselves. The iPhone 17 Pro's true design just broke cover, and it's a total game changer. Apple's 2025 Pro model isn't just getting a polish, it's getting a personality overhaul. Forget the concept renders. This comes straight from a source you can't ignore. And if you thought last year's camera bump was bold, what's coming next might just steal the whole show. We're talking a unibody aluminum build, a bold new camera layout, and a re-engineered interior for better performance. Yep, Apple's leaving titanium behind for something lighter and cleaner. And while Apple stays tight-lipped about its big reveal date, a certain someone has already served us the real deal, and not through pixelated, low-res leaks either. Enter Dbrand, the unapologetic case maker famous for exposing designs early. They've dropped shots of their new iPhone 17 Pro case, and here's the thing. These guys get Apple's exact dimensions before launch. Translation: this isn't wild guesswork. It's practically the blueprint. But wait till you see what that case reveals about the new camera zone. In Dbrand's tank case preview, the camera area stands out. Literally. A raised island dominates the top section, molded right into the phone's frame. It's bigger, tougher, and part of the body itself. The familiar power, volume, and action buttons are all there. But the overall shell, Apple's given it a structural twist that could change both looks and durability. This time, the Pro's body is carved from a single block of aluminum. That means the camera bump isn't a separate glass piece anymore. It's baked right into the frame. Sleek, absolutely, but also practical, giving Apple more freedom to shape the camera hardware. And if you think this is just for aesthetics, you're missing the bigger picture. That unified bump houses serious firepower, a 4-MP telephoto lens, and, if whispers are true, a periscope zoom capable of 5x to 8x optical range. The redesign also promises fewer weak points, better weight distribution, and a more balanced hand feel. Minimalist Apple design, check. Rugged practicality, also check. The tank case might make it look chunkier than it really is, hiding finer edges and curves. So the question is, what will Apple's own stage reveal actually show us? Circle September 9th on your calendar. That's the expected launch date, even if Apple hasn't sent invites yet. Here's the twist. Dbrand says its cases will hit the market before the keynote, which means we could all get an up-close look at the real deal days before Tim Cook even walks out under the spotlight. Switching to aluminum could also shave some weight off compared to the titanium models. Apple rarely changes core materials without a bigger plan, whether that's manufacturing speed, cost efficiency, or sustainability goals. Whatever the reason, it's a sign they're ready to shake things up in 2025. But there's still mystery in the air. How will that larger camera island feel in hand? Will aluminum be as tough as titanium for long-term wear? And what about the rumored new colors? Apple's silence just fuels the anticipation, and you know they love pulling out a last-minute surprise or two. One thing's for sure, the iPhone 17 Pro is lining up to be Apple's boldest Pro redesign in years. From the reimagined chassis to the upgraded optics, it's a statement piece as much as it is a tech upgrade. All that's left is watching it shine live during the keynote. So are you buying the hype, or is this just Apple's marketing magic at work again? Let me know down in the comments. I'll be watching every leak, every close-up, and every insider drop until launch day. Hit that subscribe, stay tuned for the next update, and as always, catch you in the next one.